18,167 guys. That's my Binance balance. As you can see on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I trade arbitrage on Binance guys. Arbitrage is simply buying crypto from one exchange to another and selling higher. Making the difference on that is your earnings guys. So on this video I'm going to show you step by step how I trade arbitrage on Binance. Okay, so let's start guys. Without wasting time, let's get on it. So since I have already funded my Binance account guys, I'm going ahead into trexbik.com. Okay, so let me go to trexbik.com. Here, this is trexbik.com guys. You can see my trexbik.com has a balance of 2.38. Okay, so I'm going to deposit some funds, but before I deposit some funds guys, I need to go back to P2P. So I'll click on the three dots here and click on P2P market. Here on P2P market guys, I'm going to click on buy. All right, so I'm going to find an offer that has a good return for me. So if I scroll down guys, first I'm going to choose USDT. All right, as you can see, this Zara Okwonko has 0.9 the market price. So that means you can see Zara Okwonko reliability rating, reviews, trade history, and statistics is all here. So let me go back again on P2P market guys, and then I choose USDT, and I find now I need to search Zara because that's what I'm going to trade with, Zara. So Zara, I'm going to click on buy, and then I'm going to put amount, let's say 100. If I put $100 guys, I'm going to get 113 back. If I put 1,000 guys, I'm going to get at least 130. Okay, so I'm going to put 1,000, and then I'm going to click on proceed trading with Zara, and then I'm going to click on payment. Okay, and confirm. All right, so that's easy. So now after clicking on buy USDT, what I'm doing exactly here guys, I'm buying USDT from Sarah at 1,000. Okay, using Binance, and then I'm going to get a return of 1,153. Okay, or it's 1,153 guys. Okay, so the next step now I'm going to do is to pay Zara. So I'm going to copy my address. See, this is not my address actually, this is Zara's address, and pay to them. So I'm going to my Binance now and send. Click on send, and then withdraw crypto. Choose USDT, long press this one. Okay, and then I'm going to choose network is TRX, and amount is 1,001. The one is because of a network fee of $1, and then I'm going to click on withdraw. So I'm going now to confirm my passkey guys. So now I'm confirming my passkey guys, very quick. Okay, for security reason, don't show your passkeys to anyone. So now as you can see, the withdrawal is now pending. Okay, it's pending here. So what I'm going to do on Zara now, I'm going to click I have paid. Okay, once you click I have paid, the transaction usually is being processed automatically. Okay, so guys, do not click I have paid when you have not really paid Zara. Okay, thank you so much. So let's wait for the detection to be automatic guys. Just giving it a few minutes, and it will be detected immediately. This one is out of from pending, it will be detected here. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Time lapsed already, we have 2 minutes. So just what you need to do here, you need to be very patient, because that's how it goes. Just be patient, guys. I'm still being very patient. The trade has automatically completed, guys. As you can see, 1,000 to 1,153. So now I'm going to click done, and then my account need to be refreshed. See, now I have 1,155. Okay, so now the next step I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to sell the same amount. So I'm going again to trade, and I'm going now to click sell. Okay, so on sell here, I'm going to choose another offer, somebody. So I'm going to choose USDT because that's what I have. And so this one is Chinwe Obi. He's selling at 1.1, 1.0. You need to find somebody who is at least has the highest rate, at least 1.1 or 1.2. So I'm going to put sell, and then I choose his USDT, and I'll choose 1.1 on Amar Diallo. This 1.1 price. Oh, sorry. Let me go back again. P2P market, USDT sell, Amar Diallo, and then I'm going to put amount 1,150. That's what I have there, and you can see the return. And then I'm going to proceed and settle. So I'm going to choose payment method with USDT TRC20. So now, guys, here is the thing. Trexbig spoke to Wallet. They have, if you want to be paid direct to your address, you need to put your Binance wallet, but they'll charge a fee of 4.2%. So that's almost all your profit. So I'm going to choose the spot wallet on Trexbig, and then I'm going to click on okay, there's a button now down here I want to click. This button here, it's complete. This button, I need to click it. Okay, now it's now processing and waiting. So usually it will take, this one I have chosen what I chose, guys, is automatic payment to my Trexbig spot wallet because of the fee they are charging. Okay, so just give it a few minutes. So guys, I'm still waiting for the trade to be auto approved within 3 minutes. Now see, now it's 3 minutes 46, so I'm still waiting for it to be approved. Okay, so once it's approved, I will be back to you in a moment. It's now 2 minutes, guys. Always now 2 minutes. Okay, and if you want to contact support, always use this chat here. Hi, this is the chat. They reply instantly. So yes, I'm still waiting. Now it's 1 minute remaining, 1 minute and a few seconds, and then I will withdraw all of it once. Now at 47 seconds, guys. 47 seconds remaining. 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. Still waiting a few minutes. And now you see funds are ready, frozen pending your release. Okay, so now at this level, guys, what you need to do, you need to go back to your account and confirm. See, now you have the balance is here. Okay, so since you have now the balance, what you need to do is you go to crypto wallet. No, you need to go to financial history, and then you go to P2P, and this is the pending one. Now after this pending, in the, because you have confirmed you have the funds, now you click on release. Okay, it's as easy as that. Now the funds, if you don't release, you can't withdraw the funds. Actually, that's what they said. So since now you have done that, now actually me, I have done that. I'm going to go to assets, and I'm going to click on withdraw. All right, and then I'm going to choose automatic spot wallet because my funds are on spot wallet, and I'm going to click on 100% everything I have and continue to address. And now I'm going back to my Binance here on my Binance, and I'm going to add funds, deposit crypto USDT. I'm going to choose my USDT and copy the address, and then I'm going to paste it here, okay, like that. And then I'm going to click on review. So now it's going to send my verification code to my email to confirm the deposit, and then I'm going to copy this copy and I'm going to paste it here, okay, and then confirm withdrawal. Just like that, guys. Okay, so as you can see, the withdrawal is now processing to my address, and the cancel option is available in 20 minutes, and the the withdrawal is supposed to reach on Tronscan right now. If I click on this link and see, you can see it's now successful on Tronscan. Now I'm waiting to confirm to my wallet instantly. Just giving it a few minutes, guys. Just a few minutes. You know, withdrawing USDT, it's usually 2 to 5 minutes. I think 2 to 5 minutes maximum, okay, and it will reach to my Binance account immediately. So I'm still waiting for it. As you can see, it's now confirmed. Here it is, confirmed, completed. Here, Tronscan. If I see on Tronscan, there it's the amount and there it's confirmed, guys. So what I need to do now, I'm going to my Binance and check the deposit, the withdrawal completed. You can see. So guys, that's how I do trade on Binance crypto arbitrage. Very easy. And make sure you like this video, you share, and make sure you save this video whenever you see it, because it will never appear on your FYP again. If you see this video, this is very important. Make sure you save and like it, because if you skip, you'll not see this video in your FYP again. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.